Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to do a house tour. I literally took possession of this house Monday morning. Closing was at 9:30. I took possession at 10:30. I got a wood delivery for the fireplace. So we're going to do a quick tour. There's nothing really in this house. I'm just doing unboxing of stuff that I currently own and some stuff that I purchased just to get by. And we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the house, and we're going to just go through everything and you tell me what you think. All right, here we go. So this is the entrance. We come in from here. This is a coat closet. Bathroom. Getting the shower curtains today. Master bedroom. I got it. So it's really big, actually. Big master bedroom. This is only a 2-bedroom house, but look at the size of this master bedroom. It's tremendous. All right. So let's go into the second bedroom. There's no light on in here. Oh, there's no light at all. So let's get some light in here so you can see. And this is where my children are going to be when they're here, when they just want to hang out. So this is going to be their room. Okay. Closet, shelving. All right, so we got this. You already saw the master bedroom. Just want to shut the light off. All right, so we go this way, and this is the kitchen. All right, so let's go around. You can see the kitchen. Lots of storage. This is my pantry. Got stuff in it. These drawers come out. I got things in here already. Nothing in the refrigerator. A couple of things in here. One, the Ninja up top. Coffee area here. Tea, coffee, bags, instruction manuals. These are all soft close, these doors. Clorox. All right, so let's go to the dining room. Waiting for I have it at the house, at the storage unit. So this is the dining room where this is going to be. And the living room is here. So this is all the boxes that I've actually got stuff from that I purchased, and I'm just trying to set up shop now, just trying to get everything rocking and rolling. I gotta burn all this. So this is gonna be fun. All right, so let's go downstairs where the YouTube studio is gonna be. This is where the magic is gonna happen. All right. So this is the basement. It is tremendous. So over here, in this section here, is where the YouTube studio is going to go. The refrigerator is going to leave. That's coming out. That is the conversation piece that we checked out on the YouTube video for the inspection. This has to come out. I'm not boxing around this. There's no reason for this to be here. This is the old water system, how we used to pump from the first level aquifer. Now it's polluted, but that's that. All right, got another refrigerator down here. That's moving, probably over here somewhere, probably next to the, somewhere around here. Probably over here somewhere. I'm going to put the refrigerator because I'm going to be putting the pool table back here. We're going to put another pool table here, most likely. YouTube studio there, and then we're going to have a theater, probably an 8-man theater is going to be right here. And that's going to be pretty nice. So the TV is going to go right here. 77-inch OLED television. It's going to go here. All this stuff is coming down. We're going to build walls. We're going to run networking. The networking is going to be here. The rack system is going to be here. And that is my wash machine. I'm actually doing wash for the first time. And these are my washer and dryer. That was a little loud. So all these new sounds and clicking, clonking, I mean, I don't know anything. This is the first time I'm actually using this thing. This is pretty beefy. So anyway, this is the basement. Let me go in the corner and show you how big this is. This is massive basement. This is about 1,100 square feet downstairs and 1,100 square feet upstairs. All right, so let's go outside. So this is the backyard. It's quite big. It's going to be great. I do have a gas stove, uses propane. So this is the view of the backyard. Got my wood here. I got to show you the garage too. We're going to show you the whole house, the whole outside. I'm very happy where I am. Perfect spot, especially for a bachelor like myself. All brick, and I do have firewood, so I have I had that delivery. So look at all that firewood. Holy crap, I gotta move that to the backyard. So the car will be going in here. I bought a wheelbarrow, so I could do that probably tomorrow. Got my outdoor fire pit. Got that yesterday. So this is a very, very, very big garage as well. As you can see, it's long. So I'll definitely be able to, I don't have to pull the car in all the way, so I can actually store some stuff in the back here, like snow blowers and stuff like that, and be able to get out if I need to. So it should be pretty cool. Looking extremely forward to it. And then this goes outside to the backyard. And that's that. So without further ado, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.